elementary age kids need middle grade resources that are fun, that are sassy, that teach valuable lessons, and you want them to be respectful and biblically faithful. And that's what the Who, What, Why series is. I'm so excited about it. It's the perfect resource to teach your kids about history while helping them apply biblical truths to their own lives. Let's talk about the resurrection set in the Who, What, Why series. So the New Testament in the Bible, we don't always think of it as history. Like when we think of Christian history, we don't always think of biblical history as the same thing, but it is. It is the history of our family. It's just written in scripture, which is inerrant, infallible, and inspired. So that part of the information is different, right? So the New Testament in the Bible covers important history from the incarnation of Jesus through the letters of the apostles, and Jesus, who is God the Son, became fully God and fully human. He taught us how to live for his glory, and then he took the punishment of all believers on himself on the cross. He died, he was buried, and he rose from the dead, and then he ascended to heaven. And one day, believers will also be resurrected to live forever with Jesus on the new earth. So that's incredibly exciting news. We want our kids to understand that at a deep level, and you can teach your kids about these truths with fun narrative and important biblical truths, theological doctrine from the Who, What, Why series. I wrote this set. I'm Danica Cooley, and it's published by Christian Focus Publications. Okay, I'm really excited about the Who, What, Why series. I'm especially excited about this new resurrection set. Who were the disciples? What was the cross? And why did the resurrection happen? So go grab them today. We have black books to go with those over at thinkingkidspress.com. And those are free. The books are great, and they're available all over the world.